Hello friends, audit of capital expenditure, very important and key area in the audit, in any audit, it may be internal or external, that is statutory. What are the main elements in the audit of capital expenditure? The first point is we should be very clear with the procedure which is followed by the organization for capital expenditure. In normal course, the standard procedure starts with the capital expenditure requirement. Then it initiates with the purchase manager for getting some tenders or getting some quotations from various vendors. Then it goes for the comparative analysis of cost benefit analysis of all the technical requirements and commercial requirements given by the vendors. That is the selection of vendor process is very important element. Here, if the vendor are a related party or under influence, then there can be error or possibility of fraud in the selection of vendor. Thereafter comes when the vendor is finalized and it is internal approval note should be passed so that the vendor is finalized with the approval of all the respective concerned persons in the department of purchase, accounts or CEO and whatever the policy of the company or organization. Thereafter the PO is issued and you are getting the acceptance from the vendor. This part is to be audited when you are doing the audit of capital expenditure, because the capital expenditures are not a recurring nature, they are of non-recurring nature. So whatever the number of purchases are there of assets are to be edited, are to be verified, validated for whole of the year, whatever the number of purchases are. Then comes the vendor delivery of the vendor, that is if it is a machine, if it is a software purchased by the company, it is installed in or erected in the factory premises. You have to check all the documentation at all the respective stages. You have to verify the PO, the internal approval note, 3 quotations, that is selection of vendor process, then GRN, invoices and e-way bill. All these are the mandatory requirements when you are doing the audit of capital expenditure, that is a purchase of any asset. Obviously, accounting of all this, that is recognition of the asset based on the document which are validated in the audit process, is also very important. So recognition of asset as per AS 10, that is property, plant, is PPE and equipment, is to be recognized when it is ready for use. Till that time, it will not be recognized as an asset, it will be recognized as a capital WIP and it will be classified under fixed asset, but it will be capital WIP. Obviously, you have to take care when you are doing the audit whether you can claim the ITC of those assets or not, whether you have to deduct the TDS or not, and whether the accountant has done the same or not, and accordingly your issues in the audit of capital expenditures should be identified and shared with the accountant. This is about the audit of capital expenditure. Thank you very much and keep joining for the next session where we are going to discuss more about the different aspects of the audit.